Hi, Bella. Good morning. Are you ready to learn today? Yes. Do you know the song Rain, Rain, Go Away? Can we sing it together? Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little Bella wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Again. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little Bella wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Clap your hands. What's this, Bella? What's this? Okay, today we're going to pretend that this is the clouds, yeah? Clouds, when you look up the sky, there's clouds. Do you know what cloud is? Yes. And this is the air. Do you know what air is? It's like this. That's air. Okay. I'm going to show you how rain is formed. Do you know what is rain? It's when water is pouring down from the clouds. Shh. It makes that sound. Okay? Yeah, good job. So let's pretend this is the clouds. I'm going to drop some coloring. Pretend this is the steam. What is the steam? When mommy cooks in the pressure cooker and you get that steam, shh, that's the steam. Let's put some coloring. Wow. What do you think will happen? It gets heavy. Now what's happening there, Bella? What's happening? Look down here. Oh no, it's raining. Wow, can you see that? What's going down? What is going down the air? What is going down the air? So what happens is when the clouds gets heavy, why does it gets heavy? When the steam goes up the clouds, it gets heavy and the water starts pouring down. It's called rain. Can you say rain? Rain. Can we sing Rain, Rain, Go Away? Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little Bella wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Do you know the song, Bella? Look, it's raining in the jar. There's a rain in the jar. What color is this? What color? Say blue. Blue? Blue. Blue? Blue. And it's raining in the jar. The cloud got heavy. Yeah?
All day cloud.
Yes, all day. It can rain all day. It can rain all day. But what we are looking for is Mr. Sun. Do you know Mr. Sun? Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Can you look outside? Is it raining outside? Is it raining outside? No. It is sunny. Good job. It's sunny outside. There's no rain. Hooray! Clap your hands. Clap your hands, clap your hands, clap your hands like this. It's not rainy outside. Good job. Good job, Bella. You want to play with this? Okay, you sit down, please. And say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Wave your hand. Bye-bye.